What's up, traders? Doesn't matter to find the quickest source because it's impossible to trade unless you have any prop algorithm that big hedge funds using. Forget it. It's impossible to trade. And I suppose that most retail platforms will go down. Okay. Are we ready? Just 30 minutes. Okay, where to start? S&P, it is trading a little bit up, 0.4 up, despite the negative news that we have had in the morning. But this means nothing, really nothing. Let's see the important levels. First of all, let's define what we expect today, okay? It will be a binary effect event with two options, 75 or 100. Now, let's take the 100 option, okay? Easy, everything will collapse. So S&P is gonna make a new low and I have target 3780 and 3800, this area here. Initially, okay? Then we see. Wait, guys, don't ask. I will make my presentation and then we see. Kalispera, David. Yeah. Good evening. Okay, we are talking about the 100 basis point scenario. Massive drop in the S&P. Massive drop in the Dow Jones. I believe Dow Jones is gonna test 30,200 easily, and then we see. Keep those two numbers, 30,200 for Dow Jones and 3780 for S&P. I know it's 3% below, but who cares? Last time we have had in CPI 5% move, 5.5% move, easily done. Okay, let's see Forex then. What will happen to Euro in 100 basis point? Of course, we are gonna trade to ultra 20 years, I don't know, 15 years low. We are gonna test and break this trend line 98.40, and let's see where we stop. I believe we can test, okay, below here it's uncharted waters, there is no support. We can see that in the monthly chart. Okay, there is support at 96.11. I don't believe we are gonna see this today, but who knows? I believe we are gonna test 97 handle in the event of 100 basis point hike. So keep that in mind, okay? As we speak, making new low. Makes sense. Everybody is waiting, and I believe we have leaks as always. Someone is knowing from now the decision, and at 9 o'clock sharp we are gonna see huge volatility. Okay, let's see cable. Cable, it's already stalling for now at 113.11. It is this trend line goes very back. Sorry about that. To be honest, I don't remember where I have drawn this trend line. Okay, it's those previous lines, just a short-term move. Okay, but okay, of course we're gonna test 112 in 100 basis point scenario for sure, and let's see if we can find support. It's impressive. We are going back 20 years to under existence. Okay, the ultimate target is parity here, but okay, not for today. For today, keep in mind 112 something. I believe 112 is gonna contain the drop. We're talking about initial moves, okay? Things are more easy in HoW. We see some supports. Okay, of course we're gonna break 66. Already we are sitting just above or and below the support, but I believe we are gonna go lower to test 66. It's 60 pips lower. Same for New Zealand dollar. Okay, I don't touch those. It will dive following the strong dollar move. Okay, if you wanna cover some profit, some shorts, 58.40, 58.50. Smaller move I expect here. Also, market is closed in New Zealand now. I think no, it's just opening. It's morning there. Let's go to gold. Gold, we have had an initial reaction higher in the morning in the news regarding mobilization in Russia. And this due to safe haven status of gold, okay. But later on, strong dollar moved the gold to the downside again. Targets for gold, okay, I believe we are gonna break a previous low, 1650, and we are gonna test, I think it's 1580. Let me check. Yes, next support is this high here, 1650.49, and below 1616 and 5075. Okay, let's see. Gold, it's interesting, but you see the difference here is by the dip. No comparison with currencies. Okay, also we have 5 waves down as we see here, so we might see a correction higher here sometime. For now, yes, I see we can test 50-100 handle this area here, but plenty of support on the way down. It's good to buy some gold with small leverage, of course. Okay, you wanna see silver? Let's see silver. Silver easier here. I believe we are gonna test 17 something, below $18. I know seems a huge move, but this is silver. Okay, what to do? Volatility is big here. What else is left? USD CAD. Okay, USD CAD. To be honest, is the only currency that I would like to be short dollar. Why? because Canada and US are very closed, very tight economies. Canada has gold, has oil, so it's not in any case in the same situation as is UK and EU. And we also hit, we are testing 134, it's a strong resistance area. I have spoken about this target in the previous days. So if you tell me book one currency to play the soft dollar, it would be this USD CAD. But still, I don't expect much things to the downside here. Of course, to the upside, we are gonna see a spike. I don't know where it will stop. Okay, let's see. I see we are very close to strong resistances. 134, 30, 40, those highs here are gonna give a pause even if we see 100 pips rally, hike. Okay, so focus on USD CAD if you're gonna fade the 100 basis point move. Now, I believe we covered what will happen in 100 basis point, at least initially, the first reaction, then we see. Let's go to see the most interesting scenario, according to me, of course. What will happen if we have 75 basis point, just that, without looking the Fed dot plot and Powell's speech? The first reaction, if we have 75, USD CAD is gonna dump to 113.40, 45, 50 pips. Okay. Euro is gonna spike up initially to test this break here in the morning, 99.45.50. But then it will dump. I don't see any reason for Euro to make a rally now, especially after the morning event in Russia. Really, it was bearish, but now it's gonna accelerate. So in any case, this will be sell the rally if we see 75. It's easy money. I don't believe we are gonna trade above parity again. And you see this coincides the level that I told you, 99.50 is the ceiling. And okay, of course it can accelerate to approach parity, but I doubt. Must have a very dovish pivot in the Fed to see this move in the dollar, in the euro dollar. Okay, cable, it can spike up to 113.85, 114, even 114.20, and but in any case, I don't believe we are gonna see trading above 114.50, 60, this area here. And of course, it is selling the rally. Okay, the initial reaction at least. Out USD, I see strong resistance at 67 area. So keep in mind, if you trade out, be ready to take profit if you gamble here or go short in fresh positions. What else? Euro GBP, okay, I believe tomorrow is gonna trade to test this trend line channel, because tomorrow we have in 15 hours the Bank of England rate decision. That's why we see some movement here. They expect another hike, 75, but 50 I think, but maybe we have a little bit surprise, especially if we see 100 pips today. Bank of England will move higher than expected. Okay, let's see USD Swiss franc, it's very, very interesting. Because tomorrow morning we have SNB, and it is the only central bank that still has negative rates, minus 0.25. So I believe we are going to have a hawkish surprise tomorrow. So this pair would be another good opportunity to short the dollar, especially in the event that we see a spike after 100 pips, basis points, 1% in the rate. I believe we are gonna test 97, and it's gonna be a nice area to go short. Tomorrow we can see 95, 94 easily with hawkish S&B. Okay, let's see gold. What will happen to gold? Gold will spike higher. Initially at 1684.90. This previous support that was broken now acting as resistance, and we see we might even trade above 1700. Initially, I'm talking about. What else? Silver in the event, of course, he's gonna run higher to test $20. And let's see oil. Oil I didn't cover before. Oil had the same movement as gold this morning, spiked higher after Putin's speech, but gave back all the profits and made new lows. Now currently trading in the middle of the range, just below $84. I'm still bullish biased in oil. I expect if we see any dip towards 82.50 or below 82 to test the previous low at $81, I believe it's gonna be a good buy and will reverse higher. Of course, in the event of 75, it's gonna run higher. We are gonna test 87. It's gonna make new high. Okay, I believe I covered almost everything. Let's see yields. 10-year yields. Okay, currently, what is this? Just covering some positions from dealers. It is interesting here that we didn't make new low. But of course, in the event of 100 basis point hike, we are gonna see one fresh low here, meaning yields are gonna make a new high. Of course, in the event of 75, we are gonna see a rally here. We can even test 114 and quarter, 25. Previous support here that was broken. Okay, we have 15 minutes. S&P, yes, I forgot. S&P in this scenario is gonna trade up to 39.60, and it's gonna test this area here that acted as strong support, strong resistance in the previous days. And in any case, I don't believe we are gonna see a move above 4,000. Okay, it's also 5% move up, but okay, depends what Powell will say in his speech and if we see any surprise in the dot plot. Okay, I'm not opening new positions ahead of the news because, okay, I'm already long dollar. Let's see DXY. DXY, I forgot. DXY made new high. What to say here? Buying the dip is the strategy. And if we see any correction in the event of 75, the first big support is 110 and 25. I know some of you have different prices here, but keep in mind is those previous tops, spikes higher, but I was acting as resistance. Now is broken, so it will act as support. This is 70 pips lower if you have different price scale. Nasdaq, okay, we can look at Nasdaq, of course. But it is the same movements in different scale than S&P. Nasdaq is gonna test 12,200 for sure in the event of Davis Fed, 55 basis point. But look the mentality here. We are in the situation to say that 75 basis point, 0.75% hike, it's a Davis scenario. What the fuck? Really? What the fuck? What the fuck we are talking about? With inflation at 10% and rates at below 4%. And still we are talking about Davis Fed. Really, it's no brainer. I don't see how we can see big reversal in the dollar, guys. Even if you take out geopolitical risks, it is the rate differentials that will drive this up to test my target at 112, 113 area. This is my target for the midterm. And of course this equals with 95, 97 in the rate of euro dollar. Okay, we have less than 10 minutes. I don't know if I must close the live because it's taking some bandwidth. I don't know. I will leave it open probably to comment the decision. Also, I'm not so keen to trade exactly at the announcement, so it's okay. I will leave it open for you. Let's see USD JPY. What to say here? The definition of bull trend actually didn't move a lot today. It is consolidating in this bullish flag. So in any case, in any dip towards 143, it's gonna provide support. And of course, a break to the upside opens the room for fresh highs above 145. What else is left? Less than 7 minutes. Let's move to euro. How you are positioned during before the event? Okay, I'm long dollars. What about you? Come on, 30 people currently in the chat. Nobody is trading. Everybody is square. Yes, let's see crypto. Bitcoin, oops, trending already higher. They know something. Crypto guys, they have hacked the Bloomberg and they know the decision already. I doubt. Okay, the trend here is lower. Any spike should be shorted, and I expect move below 19,000 in any case. Ethereum, one of the same. 1,400 resistance, 1,300 support. $100 range. This is 6%, 7. Yes, Bitcoiners are gambling always. Oh. Same spikes. Let's put 5-minute chart, it's interesting. Let's make some room to the downside. Okay, we have the pre-decision, pre-announcement positioning, lots of volatility. Three minutes left. I believe we never had in the past such as anticipation before FOMC. I trade to 24 years, I never remember such times. We are living historical times in trading, in markets. And not only markets, but okay. I don't know when you joined, but I explained the two scenarios. I believe because Fed gonna shock the markets, gonna burst the bubbles, it's gonna go for 100. So initially we will see dollar to spike up and S&P spike down, stocks down. The spike to short is gonna be in the event that we have 75. Let's see, it's very interesting because there is one logic that says, okay, we have geopolitical risks, so Fed might consider go with 75 and see, but to be honest, it's just for trading purposes short term, because 25 basis point, it's meaningless. The path is the important. And if they say we're gonna hike 75 and keep going, no matter what, we're gonna see sell-off in stocks and rally in dollar. 75 just is gonna give us one good opportunity to buy more dollars, nothing more. The trend cannot be reversed. I explain you why. Okay, less than a minute, guys. 50 seconds. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom! Boom! Oh, 100. What is it? I don't see anything. What? 75. Oh, 75. And dollar keeps going up, eh? What the fuck? Impressive. Dollar is unstoppable. Wow. Impressive move. Dollar cannot stop. Very, very... What to say? Selling off. Okay, game over. Game over for the dollar. What the fuck? Impressive move. What happened really? Maybe the dots. Let me check on Twitter what happened. Everything is stuck in my feed. Come on. Dollar is taking off. What the fuck? Unstoppable. Yes, they changed the dot no cuts in 2023. That's why we see the dollar spike up. Okay, I told you it was a hockey 75. This was the that's why the reaction of the dollar higher. The details were hidden in the dot. Okay, now we maybe see some dollar selling, take profits, I mean. But okay. S&P, boom. Let's check gold. Gold, okay, initially sold off as expected, and then currently it's getting bought. But let's see. Fed is very hawkish. They don't stop. Everything going up. USD, CAD cannot stop. Game over, guys. Dollar cannot stop. Now we wait for Paulson to see if he says something, but he's gonna be hawkish. Markets anticipate this. Look, USD, CAD. Wow. Breaking every resistance. Euro USD, let's see. Initial spike down. To be honest, I covered some shorts here, just below 20, but thinking to open again, I don't see following through. We must see move above 99 to have a reversal intraday in the dollar. I told you it's very, very bearish. I don't see any reason to go against the trend. Okay, I close the live now. Maybe I will open in half an hour when we have the speech. But it's very, very bearish, the sentiment for stocks, and for Euro USD, GBP USD, generally it is long dollar, guys. This market is long dollar. Yes, it cannot stop. We might see 112 today. Paulson is gonna be very hawkish. Okay, see you all later.